Welcome, viewers. Today, we are about to uncover the incredible healing power of lemons when it comes to nerve repair and overall nerve health. Let's dive into the details. Lemons are more than just a zesty citrus flavor or a source of vitamin C. They pack a punch when it comes to supporting your nervous system, thanks to various compounds found within them. First up, we have flavonoids. Lemons contain several flavonoids, including limonene, hesperidin, diosmin, and eriocitrin. These compounds are like superheroes for your nerves. Limonene, known for its delightful lemony scent, does more than just smell good. It can help reduce nerve inflammation and promote the regeneration of damaged peripheral nerves. Next, we have hesperidin, a potent antioxidant. It shields nerve cells from oxidative stress, encourages neuron survival, and supports the growth of healthy nerve cells. Diosmin steps in to alleviate nerve pain and common neuropathy symptoms, such as tingling and burning sensations. And don't forget eriocitrin, which acts as a formidable antioxidant. It not only lowers oxidative stress, but can also cross the blood-brain barrier, protecting both central and peripheral nerves. But that's not all. Lemons offer more than just flavonoids for nerve repair. Lemons also help improve mitochondrial function. This is crucial because well-functioning mitochondria produce the energy your nerve cells need. Plus, lemons offer protection against various neurotoxins found in medications, heavy metals, pesticides, cleaning products, and cosmetics. These toxins can harm your nerves, making lemons' protective properties invaluable. Inflammation is a common culprit in nerve damage and neuropathy. Lemons contain anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce nerve inflammation and provide relief to those with nerve-related discomfort. So, how can you tap into the remarkable healing power of lemons for nerve repair? Consider starting your day with a lemon shot, a fresh squeeze of lemon juice on an empty stomach. You can also blend lemons with water and freeze the mixture into cubes. Add these lemon ice cubes to your water or smoothies throughout the day. For an extra boost, try the lemon slush. Blend lemons with frozen blueberries and purified water. This refreshing drink can be consumed on an empty stomach to maximize its benefits. Remember, while lemons offer fantastic nerve support, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have specific nerve-related concerns or conditions. Incorporating lemon-based remedies into your diet may lead to gradual improvements in nerve health, reduced neuropathic symptoms, and an overall sense of well-being. So, embrace the power of lemons and give your nerves the care they deserve. Just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only, so if you have any medical concerns, consult with a healthcare professional. That's a wrap for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our health and wellness tips. Feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thank you for joining us. Stay healthy, stay happy. See you in the next video.